Hello, it's AliMECH. In today's video, I'll test and review AC Deodorizer from ABRO and give you my thoughts on it. When the humidity condenses on cooling coil, bacteria is building up there and causes odor in your car's interior. The second reason for bad interior odor is air conditioning cabin filter. So on 2017 Toyota Camry, the filter located in a glove box. I recommend replacing the cabin filter first and then using the deodorizer. One tab to remove plastic trim, and there's two tabs that hold this filter cover. There is a lot of dirt and dust trapped in the filter. The filter comes with filter replacement guide depending on where you're living and where you're driving the car. Here is the old and the new filter. What a difference. Make sure that the filter not facing down. You can know that by the letters or there will be an arrow. Now putting everything back. Now let's test the deodorizer. Turn on the engine, put the fan on high speed, recirculating on, and the AC on. By pressing the tab, it won't stop until it's empty. After leaving the car for 10 minutes, open the doors for ventilation. For a few days, the lemon scent pretty strong. If you don't like it, this product not for you. I recommend watching my other video. Now the interior air clean and fresh. So have you checked your cabin air filter before? That was an easy way for removing air conditioning odor. Like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.